Welcome back to this video. In this video, I'll show you how to turn off passcode or remove passcode on your Telegram app. Let me show you how. Very first thing you want to do is to go ahead and open up your Telegram app. Go ahead and enter your passcode. Now you are here. For you to remove the passcode from your Telegram app, go ahead and click on this three slider from the corner. Go ahead and click on settings. Scroll down and go ahead and click on privacy and security. Go ahead and click on passcode lock. Enter your passkey code. Then come down below right here. Go ahead and click on turn off passcode. Turn off passcode. Are you sure you want to disable your passcode? Go ahead and click on turn off. It's that simple. For more tutorial about Telegram settings security like this, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.